Hi guys, it's your boy Ben, aka Botanical Fanatical. Did you know in the music world there's such thing as ear fatigue, which means when a record is mixed badly, there's too many frequencies in the mix contradicting each other and fatiguing your ear. Might sound great on first listen, but second, third and fourth your ears get tired. In the drinks world there's a such thing as flavour fatigue, and this is down to your recipe building. If you have too much bass notes, too much treble notes, too much mid notes, you can get flavour fatigue. On first taste, might taste amazing. Have a session on that gin, starts to taste a bit meh, and your tongue feels a bit flat and sick of flavour. So guys, when creating them recipes, think about your bass, mid and treble. Take care.